Unmanned aircraft systems, UAS, also known as drones, have become increasingly popular in recent years due to their versatility and ability to perform a wide range of tasks. From aerial photography and surveying to search and rescue operations, drones have numerous beneficial uses that can help improve our lives and solve real-world problems. In this article, we will explore some of the many uses of UAS/drones and the benefits they bring. One of the most popular uses of drones is for aerial photography and videography. With their ability to capture high-resolution images and videos from above, drones have revolutionized the way we document events, capture landscapes, and create cinematic content. Photographers and videographers are now able to capture stunning aerial shots that were previously impossible or prohibitively expensive. Another beneficial use of drones is in agriculture. By equipping drones with specialized sensors and cameras, farmers can collect data about their crops, including their health and growth rate. This data can then be used to optimize irrigation, fertilization, and other farming practices, leading to increased yields and lower costs. Drones can also be used for precision spraying of pesticides and herbicides, reducing the environmental impact of traditional spraying methods. In addition to agriculture, drones are also being used for environmental monitoring and conservation. By collecting data on wildlife populations, habitat loss, and other environmental indicators, drones can help scientists and conservationists make informed decisions about how to protect endangered species and preserve natural ecosystems. Drones are also being used for search and rescue operations. Equipped with thermal imaging cameras and other specialized sensors, drones can help search teams locate missing persons or detect heat signatures from within buildings or other structures. This can save time and resources compared to traditional search and rescue methods, increasing the chances of finding and rescuing individuals in distress. Another area where drones are making a significant impact is in infrastructure inspection. By using drones to inspect bridges, power lines, and other critical infrastructure, engineers can identify potential problems before they become serious issues. This can help prevent accidents and reduce maintenance costs, ultimately improving the safety and efficiency of our infrastructure systems. Of course, with any new technology comes challenges and potential drawbacks. Privacy concerns and the risk of drones being used for malicious purposes are just a few of the issues that need to be addressed. However, with proper regulations and responsible use, drones have the potential to revolutionize many industries and solve real-world problems. In conclusion, drones have numerous beneficial uses, from aerial photography and agriculture to search and rescue operations and infrastructure inspection. With their versatility and ability to perform tasks that were previously impossible or prohibitively expensive, drones have the potential to improve our lives in countless ways. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative uses of UAS/drones in the future.